I will talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Shadow Fight 2 app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you go down here, just keep going down here, then you click on apps. Then come to apps list here, and then you're looking for Fight 2 or Shadow Fight 2 app here, or just click on search. Then here add shadow here, so add it Shadow Fight 2 app, click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on force stop, then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.